Oh, it's Tip of the Day Tuesday.
Today we are doing a Canva tutorial on how to bulk create content for Reels. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to need to do is make sure you get onto ChatGPT. You can just go to chatgpt.com, make sure you go to the chat feature, and ChatGPT is going to be like your best friend with content creation. Like, I promise you, it's not cheating. Everybody needs something to help them like really think of lots of different ideas. If you're a content creator, you are pushing out a lot of content. So it's okay to use ChatGPT. And then Canva. We are using the Pro feature. You can get a free tutorial on this, or you can try and do this with the free options. They are out there. It's just there's not as many options to choose from. So we're going into Canva and we are doing Reels, but you could do Instagram posts, you could do Pinterest posts, whatever. We are making Reels, so we're going to be doing video in the background and then text on the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to create a design, Instagram Reel. Right? That's going to pull this up. And then you just kind of want to look for one that is kind of plain to start with. I have this coffee one I like to start with. This is the one. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look at it. This one is 6 seconds long. I think that's good. And then I'm going to go ahead and start editing that. So first thing I'm going to do is come down here and I am going to put my account name, Kate Dudley UGC, and then we're going to put topic. We're going to move that up where we want it, and you're going to want to make sure that you can see this on a variety of backgrounds, and I'll explain more of that later, but you're going to want to edit the text and everything in a way that works for most backgrounds, because you're not going to want to have to go through and edit all of these afterwards. So I put an outline around it, and you can increase the thickness of that up or down. So I think that's good. I want the outline to be black. I feel like that's really easy to see. Let's go with a font that's in one of my brand fonts. Okay, I like that. I don't like the border as much now though. I'm going to add in another text box, and you can duplicate it, or you can just add a text box over here. So this one I'm going to do in a easy to read font. I like Laura. Laura is a pretty one, and the Seasons is also pretty. I'll go with Laura today though. Let's try doing it with pink. Fade into the background on light ones, but on dark ones it will outline the words. Item 1. So, topic item number 1. We're going to go over to ChatGPT and you are going to give it a prompt to create content for you. So the more specific you are with ChatGPT, the better. You have to be very direct. We're going to go ahead and send that. Here's a table with 100 Instagram Reels, real ideas tailored for stay-at-home moms wanting to eat healthier and work out. See, it's topics. I don't really like how that turned out. So here's the great thing about ChatGPT. I wanted it to do something more like Motivation Monday type thing. Okay, so these are a little bit closer to what I was looking for. So they are going to give you like these little short topics, and then they're going to give you some sort of text to just put on the screen with it. And once we've got this nailed down, it's pretty much smooth sailing from there. It's just about picking videos that you like and making sure that you can see the words. And if you think we're copying and pasting these all into like individual like copies of this file, no. We're going to be able to bulk create about 100 Instagram Reels in like 5 minutes or less. And then if you want to fine tune it, maybe like 20 minutes. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're done. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna highlight the whole table. Copy. Go over here, and then we're gonna go over to bulk create. You can find it under apps, I believe. Yeah, so you can find it under apps, bulk create. Enter data manually, and don't worry, we're not entering it manually. And then you're going to click on name, Control V, paste. It is going to do all of that. So you click done. And now we're going to, no data fields added. So this is where we come over to topic in item 1. So we're going to click on topic, 3 little dots, connect data, topic. Then for item 1, we're going to 3 dots, connect data, reel caption. Right? Now that you've got those locked into that, you're going to hit continue. And so ChatGPT apparently only made a 77. ChatGPT likes to take shortcuts sometimes. It doesn't always give me everything I ask for, but 77 is still pretty good. Okay, so now we have 77 reels. Like if you scroll through this is all the different, like, there you go. We're going to have to move these down a little bit. That's okay. It should be pretty quick. We're going to go ahead and put this here. Motivation Monday. Start today strong. Your future self will thank you. So you can do that. We can go back to the beginning, and this is what it looks like. Okay. We're going to move this. There we go. And now we're going to click on the background, delete background, and then we're going to go over to elements. We're going to go to the videos, and let's do something like drink water cup. And then we're going to go down to where it says videos here, click on this, and we can see what kind of background they're giving. So this is a good one. So we're going to drag it over, and then we're going to set video as background. And if you don't like how this is set up, and you can go back to the beginning, of course. If we like that, we can leave it. If we don't like it, you click on the video in the background. You're going to come up to crop, and then you can drag this over. So if you wanted to center that, you can. But honestly, I kind of like it off center. I feel like it gives it a little bit more interest. So I'm going to leave it like that. I also don't really care for the pink as much on this. Oops. Sorry. Go over to effects because that's where the color is. Alright, so tip of the day Tuesday. Then we can come over here and go to our next one. And notice, like, the one that was about drink water before meals, stay hydrated and eat less, I put a cup of water. This one is going to be about working out. So I'm probably going to make the background of this someone working out. So delete background. We're going to go to elements. So this one's good because it shows her actually doing one of the exercises. We're going to set video as background. I'm going to see if I like, I'm going to move that over. Also, I like keeping all the lengths of these about the same, so I've been keeping them at about 7 seconds. They say the average attention span is about 7 seconds these days, so. Alright, click on the background, crop, move this over, and then we can see this. Right, so we've got that, and then I'm going to stop. We're going to go ahead and shorten this to 7 seconds because we don't need to watch somebody working out for that long. It's making me tired. There we go. All right. This one is going to be Thankful Thursday. Grateful for my health. Let's make it stronger. So let's do this one, the girl running, because I think of healthy people as people who run. Because it's not me. Set video's background. We're gonna make this. You know what? I actually like that. All right. Next one is healthy can be delicious. Try avocado toast. That's going to be easy. We're going to search avocado toast. So as you can see, this does not have to be hard. Delete background. Set video's background. Oh yes, that looks nice. I like that. Might need to move that over. Let's try that. All right, I think this is the last one we're gonna do together. Let's try this. This one's nice and bright. Okay, let's see that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do one more. One more and we'll have a full week. Okay. So this one is Self-Care Sunday. Stretch, breathe, and prepare for a strong week ahead. Let's do like yoga. Yoga sounds good. I like that one. Dude, my shoulder is hurting. Wait, which one do I want? This one? Or this one? I'll try this one first. I'm probably gonna do that one. All right, there you have it. A whole week of AI created content for you. With Canva Pro, you can use all those features and they're free. And when you go to export it, you're basically just going to come up here. You're going to go to share and then you're going to hit download. And then you can select which pages you want to go ahead and download. You can do that on your computer. You can do that on your phone. It will save each one as a separate file. Now, I will say, you do not have to download all of these at the same time. You can come back and access this project at any point on Canva and then just download the pages that you need. So if you want to schedule out a week of reels, you can go ahead and download pages 1 through 7, and then you'll have your 7 pages for that week. So you can post one each day. So this is a really great way to batch create content and have it look like, really nice. It all fits a theme. You're keeping consistently the same font and the same style throughout. It keeps a nice consistent aesthetic to your account. So if you guys have any questions or want to see more tutorials on Canva, CapCut, anything like that, drop a comment and let me know, what skill are you looking to build upon? If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe, please. I am trying to reach out to as many people as quickly as possible. I really want to grow this account and I am trying to monetize it. So every subscription really helps me get to that 1,000 that I need to monetize. Help me help you, please. And that's our tip of the day Tuesday.